So we're out geocaching today. We found something that was less than a half a mile from our camp, and now we're within about 300 feet of it. We'll see how we do. Bingo! Show them where it is, Jana.
I spy.
What was that?
A little Rubik's Cube.
Aww. Can't believe that's a glass jar, though.
I know. Here's the logbook.
Woohoo! While Jana is signing the logbook, I want to show y'all this cactus over here. Look at I'm going to zoom in. Look at this thing. How amazing is that? Hi everybody. You want to know what we do on a regular day around camp when there's not much going on? Well, it's not much different than sticks and bricks. We clean, we do home improvements, maintenance. In fact, let me show you. Jana has helped me start painting my cabinets. Aren't they fabulous? And this one too. Got my wall painted here so I can start putting up my license plates and stuff.
That's awesome right there.
That's what you got at the big tent?
Yes, finally. After
Woohoo!
4 years. It was well worth it.
Okay, so I mentioned that it is a day of just errands and housekeeping and that type thing. I'm going to let y'all guess to see if what I'm doing. No, I'm just kidding. This is how I make my coconut core for my nature's head. These bricks, called coconut core bricks. And then I have to tear them up into tiny little pieces. Because I don't have storage to do the big bales or the loose stuff. So this is what I do. And it reminds me of my great-grandmother shelling peas. I just sit here and do this and enjoy the view.